Yes, I'm back with another video. I just want to express my thoughts through this video on on YouTube or TikTok or wherever you are viewing this video from. So, what's been on my mind? I just wanted to get this off my chest. I wanted to talk about things that's really important to me, and it might be important to millions of people as well. Um, so I want to say how we as people, how we should be focusing on entrepreneurship and how we should become our own boss. And also, it's imperative for us to grow, you know what I mean, and follow our dreams and create goals for ourselves so that way we don't have to remain stuck. There's no reason for us to be stuck when we don't have to be. We only stuck because we allow ourselves to be stuck. But if there's a will, there's always a way. No matter what, we just gotta be able to find that way. And once we find that way, we gotta work towards it. And as we work towards it, it will work towards us, and it would meet us halfway. And the next thing you know, we are living our dream life. Um, so yes, it's very imperative for us to focus on entrepreneurship and becoming like our own boss and become a CEO of our own destiny. They don't teach us that in society. They don't teach us that in the public school systems. What they do, they indoctrinate us so that way they program us and they tell us that we should go to school, get a good job. So guess what? To work for somebody else and build upon somebody else's dreams instead of building our own dreams, making somebody else rich instead of us making our own self rich. It doesn't even make sense or add up to make somebody else rich when you're not rich yourself. When you really think about the logic, there's no logic in that. That's just insanity, completely insane to me. So I want to just touch on this for a moment. Um, like my aunt, for an example, she worked for a company called Verizon. She worked for that company. She worked for that company for decades, for a long time, since the late 70s or early 80s. And she just recently got fired in 2022, last year. Um, she put all her time into the job, all her energy. She was dedicated. She was always there when they needed her. I mean, she put a lot of energy into that, even to the point where when the company moved from out of New York, and she moved right along with them. You know what I'm saying? They moved from New York and they moved to Texas, and then she left New York to follow her job to go to Texas, and she worked years after that, but then they fired her. That's crazy to me. You that loyal, you put all that time, energy into a job. Now you're unemployed, and now you have to be on unemployment, and you put all that energy and time and faith in somebody else's business and helping them get rich, and then many years later down the road, many years down the line, they let you go. Now you fired, and you don't know what to do. You're scared. You don't even know if you're going to be able to make your next mortgage next month, or you, you, you know what I'm saying, your budget is tight, and you know what I'm saying, you don't even know if you could pay it, your next bills, or you don't even know if you're going to have food on the table because they decided to let you go after all those years that you invested in that company. That is insane. So I'm dropping this video to let people know that's not cool. You know what I mean? That's not stability. It's not security. That goes to show you right there. Job security, it doesn't exist. It's an illusion. You know what I'm saying? If you want to create job security or you want to create income security, you have to build upon yourself. You have to go within and create your own income and not work to get somebody else's paycheck that they want to cut you a check, and now they putting a dollar amount on you and telling you how much you're worth. You know what I'm saying? There's no business or no job that you can work for and you will ever get rich for. Everyone who ever got rich built their own empire. Everyone, I get it. Everyone doesn't want to be rich. Everyone doesn't have the desire to be rich, but at least create some type of financial freedom. At least create real security. You know, anyone that this resonates with or what I'm saying, take a look at what I'm offering. You know what I'm saying? This is by invitation only. You know, if you don't want to do it for yourself, at least do it for your family. At least do it for your wife and kids. At least do it for your children. If you love them, you know what I mean? You can leave this as an inheritance. You can, you know what I mean? You can create 6 to 7 figures. If you want financial freedom, check out the link at the bottom of this video. And, you know, you won't be sorry, you know what I mean, that you did. You would thank me later. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Bye for now.